Hello and welcome to MoneyWatch channel. This is Kullu, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make more than $1,000 using Google. So if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified about any future videos which I release when I release them, and make sure to hit like button and let's get started. So the website which we will be using is called Mangloos, Mangools, mangloos.com. Okay, just go to this website, and this is what is it is SEO tool service which helps in ranking your website in Google and other search engines. So this is what we will be using to make money from this method. Okay, simply what you will do is start 10-day free trial, click on it, and simply enter your email, password, confirm your password, and you will get a captcha here. Just click on it. I am not a robot, and just click on create my account. I have already my account created, so I will simply log into the account and I will show you how to do the next steps. So I will sign into my account and let's the page gets loaded. It is loading. So you will see something like this. Okay, just go to affiliate section, click on it, and here you get the affiliate. Then you go to promo materials. You will get 30% commission on each purchase, and this is your affiliate link. Here just copy the link and go to a website called bit.ly.com. Simply go there. Wait, the website is being loaded. So you will go there and shorten your affiliate link so that it doesn't look spammy. So this is how it works. So don't paste your original affiliate link. It will look spammy and people will not click on it. So go to this URL shortener website. There are many more out there like Google shortener, then tiny URL, and many more. So use this one. This one is completely free of cost. No need to put in your credit card details. Everything is free. So simply go to bit.ly, bit.ly, and just shorten your URL. Just wait a bit while the website is being loaded. It may take some time, and we will wait till the website gets loaded. In the meanwhile, guys, let me tell you that this method requires no money upfront. You don't need to invest any money to make money from this method. We will be leveraging Google search engine platform, like we will be leveraging Google, and we will make this work. Okay, so just wait a bit while the website gets loaded, and we will be right into the content. Okay, just wait for a while. Sorry guys, my browser is very slow and my internet connection is also very slow, so it is taking a little longer to load, but once it gets loaded, then everything will be smooth. So kindly bear with me, and don't forget to, don't skip this video because it won't make sense. Because if you miss any part, then you won't be able to make money from this method. So I highly recommend you to watch this video till the end. Okay, so I believe the website is about to load, so we will wait a little more. Give me a few minutes guys, and the website will be loaded very soon. You get my point guys. So simply go to this website, create your shortened URL by pasting, sorry, the website is not getting loaded. What I will do is I will go to the next step because it's self-explanatory. You can easily shorten your link over here and just copy the shortened URL and go to the next step. Okay, so we'll go to the next step, and in this step what we are going to do is we will go to a website called google.com. Okay, we will simply type google.com, google.com. Sorry guys, the web browser is very slow, so it takes a little longer to load up the pages. Kindly bear with me, it will make total sense while I complete the steps. Okay. The website we will go is google.com, and what we will do is we will find local businesses like dentists, doctors, restaurants, then chiropractors, plumbers, like that. Okay, we will search uh, local businesses like that. You can search in your area, and what we will do is we will simply go to their website and we will contact them via email. Okay, and we will say something like that, hi guys, my name is this or that, whatever your name is, and say like, I came to your website and I noticed that your website is ranking very low on Google, and potentially you are missing a lot of customers mm, on the table. So I had similar issue with my website till I found one platform where I could rank my website better, and now I rank well in search engines. If you want to know that platform, then hit me up with your approval and I will send you the link to that website. And this is how you start the conversation, and once they start talking to you, then you forward your affiliate link of that website which I showed you, and once they make purchase, you will make commission. This is how it works. Okay, so it is pretty straightforward, and mm, you can search these kinds of website all day long, like 20, 30, 50 websites you can search, and you will send them those affiliate links, and in this manner once they make purchase you will get 30% referral commissions. And mm, the thing is, mm, and you will make money by doing this is how it works. Okay, so I will show you step by step how it's done. Now let the web page gets loaded, then I will show you how to do this. But before the web page is getting loaded, you need to be patient because it is taking a little longer to load up the page. So this is google.com. Okay, and we will search something like dentist. You can search anything, dentist, in New York or in your area, whatever it is. Okay, just click enter and just leave these top three spots, because these things are ads. Don't need to click on that. Leave these maps also, and leave these first 3 or 4 and go to the bottom of the website. Just click on the bottom one, and what you will do is you will go to their website, and you will go to their website and simply contact them via email. Okay, or they must be having a valid email in their website. Just let the page get loaded. So you are not going to pick any website. You need to pick those websites which is ranking low in Google search engines. Okay, because so this is how you will be contacting them. Just click on contact, and so this is their website. And as you saw earlier, it ranks pretty low in the search engine. So they don't have particular email. So they don't have email address. So what you will do is you will go to the next website. If it doesn't have any email address, just go to your next website and you will try to find out a website which has uh, a valid email address. Okay, and we will copy that email and we will send them a message that I saw your website which is ranking very low in Google search engine, and I found a website. Don't click on these links because it has ads. You can see here ad is written here. So click on this one. Let's see. Let's see if they have email address to contact them. By the way, guys, you don't need your, as you can see, your contact us is there. You just click on that and you will see if there is an email address to contact these people. And no, they don't have any email address. So let's click on contact us button. Let's see what happens. And one more thing I wanted to tell you is you can find these kinds of websites all day long. You can find 20, 30, 50, 100 websites like this, and you can message each of those people, and a percentage of them will reply to you, and you can send your affiliate link to them. If they make a purchase, you will make 30% commission, and this is how it works. So because this page is not loading up properly, so I will end this video here. If you have any questions related to this method, then kindly click on the comment section. I will be happy to help you. And if you found this video valuable, then hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. And by the way, guys, if you want to make money uh, very fast, then I have a recommendation in the description area. I have provided a link. Just follow the link and follow the instructions, and you will be blown away by the training you will receive, and you can make money very fast by following the training. So that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.